Hi students, now we are going to solve the multiple choice questions in the chapter waves. First question, a student tunes his guitar by striking a 120 Hertz tuning fork and simultaneously plays the fourth string on his guitar. By keen observation, he hears the amplitude of the combined sound oscillating thrice per second. So this has to be noted, thrice per second. Which of the following frequencies is the most likely frequency of the fourth string on his guitar? So here there are two sounding bodies. One is the tuning fork, the other one is the guitar string. So when both the sounding bodies are vibrating together, 3 beats are heard. This is the number of beats heard per second. Okay. So let us take the frequency of the tuning fork is F and the frequency of the guitar string is F dash. Now I have to find the value of F dash. So what is the given value of the tuning fork's frequency is 120 Hertz. So this is F. F is equal to 120 Hertz. Now the number of beats produced per second, that is equal to what? 3. Is it not? Therefore the frequency of the fourth string of the guitar must be equal to F plus or minus 3. These are the only possibilities. Either it should be F plus 3 or the other possibility is F minus 3. So F plus 3 is equal to 120 plus 3, that is equal to 123 Hertz. And F minus 3 is equal to 120 minus 3, that is equal to 117 Hertz. These are the two possibilities for the frequency of the fourth string of the guitar. Okay. Now in this option 130, 117, 110 and 120, 123 Hertz is not given. So what must be the correct option? B. Option B. Therefore F dash must be equal to 117 Hertz. So this is the correct answer. So option B. Option B is the correct answer. I hope you must have understood well. Fine.